Wake up, Samantha, wake up.
What's going on?
Look down.
Is that for me?
Yes.
Looks pretty round. Should I open it?
Yes.
Wow. Well, that has lots of tape on it. Do you perhaps know who wrote this? Doesn't matter. No, maybe I should double it open. Looks good. Cool! That's an advent calendar. That's cool. Maybe I should put that in the back with all the others. Well, I guess we can start our video. Hey guys, today I guess I'm going to be reviewing an advent calendar. So first, let's open it. Wow. Okay, so well, I guess we open it like this. And actually, I am not going to be using this as a Christmas advent calendar. I'm actually going to be using this as a Halloween because I got this in September, or I'm not sure, the end of September or the beginning of October. I don't remember. But anyway, instead, I'm going to be using this as a Halloween. So I'm going to start on day 1 today because it's Monday. So let's open it. Let's see what's inside. I'm going to poke a hole in this. And then you poke a hole in that side. What's coming my luck? Looks like a minifigure to me. And I think it's my police. Here are all the pieces. I know how to put this together already. Whoa, my baby sister is pulling. And right now, my mom is actually showing my baby sister. But for some reason, I got 2 extra pieces. But right here is the regular minifigure. And let me get a closer look at it for you. And you do have a teacup for him. And actually, you do get 2 extra teacups in. But anyway, well, I guess I'll see you tomorrow on day number 2.